Welcome to TuneTheTech. Let's dive into tech news. OPPO's Find X9 arrives November 18th, with a Pro version offering zoom and photos. Reno 15 mini packs a 6,000 mAh battery and a 200-megapixel camera. iPhone Air 2 rumors suggest dual cameras and stereo sound. Snapdragon's 8 Gen 6 Pro promises speed for gamers. Nothing teases with 3 dots. GTA 6 is slated for November 2026 as Rockstar polishes. WhatsApp boosts privacy with user IDs and pins. Tinder uses AI, matching users based on their vibe. A tragic case in Hyderabad involved myrmecophobia. Toyota offers a robotic wheelchair that moves like a crab and climbs stairs. Google Maps gets smarter with voice alerts. iPhone 18 Pro may feature Face ID on the screen. Realme's GT 8 Pro launches November 20th with a 200-megapixel lens. That's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe. Next week, a new story. This is TuneTheTech.